Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about geometry. The topic today is about hyperbola. So now I want to show you how to answer. We want to find the center, transverse axis, conjugate axis, vertices, foci, and asymptotes. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing, we have the standard formula in here. So we want to find the center. The center that should be about h represent for x, k represent for y of the center. But on the question, we see that we don't have h and k. That means the center should be about 0, 0. And this is the answer for question number 1. Question number 2, we need to find the transverse axis. The transverse axis should be about y equals to. So they should go through about the y coordinate of the center. That is about number 0. The next one, conjugate axis. Conjugate axis should be about x. And this one, they should go through about the center. So we have number 0 in here. And s equals to number 0. Question number 4. We need to find about vertices. About vertices, we see that this one, that is about positive. So the vertices should be go through for s. And now we have two vertices. So for this one, we have the center in here. So the vertices should be about, we have h and k. So we need to add about 8. And the second one, that is minus about 8. So h, that is about 0. K, that is about 0. About a, we see that we have number 25. So we have a square equals to number 25. So a should be about positive and negative number 5 after we put the square root for the both sides. So we have positive number 5 in here. This one, we have negative number 5. So if we simplify, we have like this. The next one, that is about foci. To calculate about foci, we have c square equals to a square plus b square. So a square, we have number 25. B square, that's about number 5, number 9 in here. And this one, we have 34. Now we put the square root for the both sides. And we have positive and negative of the square root 34 and about foci. That should be about h plus c. And the second one, h minus c. So this one, we have 0, 0. C, that is about this one. And now we simplify and you got like this. And the next one, that is about asymptotes. So we have y equals to negative b over a, and the second one with s, because the center is about 0, 0, that means we don't have about y-intercept in here. So b, we know that this is about number 3, and a, that's about number 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.